Hello mathematicians, welcome back. We are back for this kind of complicated but important topic. Capacity, volume, and mass. And make sure you've got this in your book because you're going to need all three. Volume, what does it mean? Why do I have these volume rings? Because the volume spreads out how much space it takes up, that's the volume. Why did I have a cap yesterday? Hold it over a student's head, pour in water, see how much it can hold, cap capacity, and the mass, how much of something there is, which is kind of like the weight. And because of those three things, year fives, the units are the most important part of these answers. The unit pretty much is the answer. If you don't have the units, you don't have the answer. Normally I can give half marks if you don't have the unit when you should, but this time I can give no marks unless it is the correct unit. And like I said, volume, how much space something takes up, like the volume ring spreading out. We measure that in centimeters cubed. Important to have the cubed. You have to have this cubed here. Cube symbol. For you, you guys can just do a 3, that's fine. Capacity, how much something can hold, like the cap. Milliliters and liters. And mass, how much something weighs, grams or kilos. This is also important, and it's in the smiling work today. The small units, 1 mil, equals the small units, 1 gram. If you have bigger units, like 1 liter, that equals 1 kilogram. Some people get confused and they would say 1 liter equals 1 gram, but that's not how it works. Small units equal small units, big units equal big units. For centimeters cubed, though, we just keep it as centimeters cubed. We don't need to go to meters cubed or anything. There we go, that's the recap. So you're going to have a look at these questions. This table is very easy to use, and you can use this table, but I prefer you to think about it first, use your God-given brain, and try to figure it out first before you check with the table. So it says the water in a 1 liter bottle, 1 liter, nope, thinking first. 1 liter bottle has a mass of 1 kilogram. So 1 liter is the capacity. Has a mass of 1 kilogram. How much volume does it take up? So we're into big units here. We've got 1 liter. And 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters. So I'm going to say the volume is 1,000 centimeters cubed. Let's check. 1 liter, 1,000 centimeters cubed. Yes, because I know 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters. And a milliliter is centimeters cubed kind of stays as the small unit. We don't upgrade it to like meters cubed for the big unit. So 1,000, 1,000, and 1,000 grams, which is 1,000 kilograms. So that is a way to make sure you don't get confused with the small and the big units, year 5. You could convert all units to small units. So instead of thinking of 1 liter, I actually thought of that as 1,000 mil. E.g. 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. And then you can figure out the equivalent measure. So if you're going from mil to, if you're going from capacity to volume to mass, if you use all of the small units, then you won't get confused, and at the end you can convert it back. Because if the answer is meant to be 1 liter and you write 1,000 mil, I will still give that answer. That is still correct. Okay, last couple things, year 5. Here you're filling out your own table and it starts to have different types of amounts, which means that this table you can't just quickly look here. You've got to actually think for yourself. And for this one, it's obviously talking about the total of these. So 2 liter, 2 liter, 2 liter, and liters are the capacity, how much it can hold, like the cap. So that's 6 liters altogether. So capacity would be 6 liters. Okay, there we go, year 5. And you may well be on to charging. And pretty much same here, year 5. It's all about attention to detail, working carefully, thinking hard, and double checking. Double check. Okay, so same over here. 50 grams of water takes up 50 centimeters cubed space, which would be 50 mil capacity. There you go. Okay, work carefully, year 5s, work hard, Join the Math Zoom if you need, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye.